Babies, let's trace the alphabet. Pink color, yellow color, brown color, gold color, gold color, gold color, I for ice cream, gold color, I for igloo, gold color, I for insect, yellow color, I for ice cream, yellow color, I for igloo, yellow color, I for insect, brown color, I for ice cream, brown color, I for igloo, brown color, I for insect, pink color, I for ice cream, pink color, I for igloo, pink color, I for insect, gold color, I for ice cream, yellow color, I for igloo, pink color, I for insect. Thank you.